and I wish you all the very best in the new parliamentary term. I am certain that the whole country is looking forward to your continuing service in Parliament. It pleases me to convey a very special welcome to all elected members who will be entering Parliament for the first time. It is pleasing to acknowledge many new and young Fijians who have committed themselves to serving in Parliament. This one-day induction workshop is very important for all elected members as a preparatory requirement before Parliament sits for the first time. Please note that another week-long and more intensive induction program is scheduled for January. You will be duly notified ahead of time. Further details and queries about parliamentary processes and procedures as provided for under the standing orders and other documents will be covered and answered at that workshop. Today, the Secretariat team will focus mostly on the processes and procedures to be undertaken tomorrow, and some important administrative and workplace matters that requires your attention. And of course, some of the basic information about Parliament and its role for our incoming new members. Take this injunction and introduction as just like any induction when you first enter a workplace or going to take up a new appointment. The Secretary General and our hard-working team are here today and from here onwards to provide you with guidance, advice, and assistance as you settle into your role as members of Parliament. But as I mentioned earlier, the primary aim of this one-day induction is to prepare for tomorrow's swearing-in ceremony and other initial processes that we need to undertake before Parliament starts its work in earnest. I would like to emphasize that a workshop such as this and training for members of Parliament, whether you are a new or old member, is an ongoing process. MPs' training and capacity building is firmly mainstreamed into the work of Parliament, and especially in the work plans of the Secretariat. Furthermore, in partnership with our development partners like the UNDP, our partner parliaments in Australia, New Zealand and beyond, our interparliamentary forums like the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, CPA, and the Interparliamentary Union, IPU, we provide numerous opportunities for ongoing capacity building and awareness with the aim of ensuring that members undertake their parliamentary functions effectively and efficiently. At this juncture, I would also like to acknowledge the ongoing support of the UNDP Fiji Parliament Support Program, which is being kindly funded by the governments of Australia, New Zealand, and Japan. I sincerely hope you find today's induction useful, and I look forward to your earnest participation. Of course, I look forward to meeting you at other former locations not too far from here and in a couple of days' time. Thank you. Vinaka Vakalevu. Shukran. Bahut Dhanawad.